What's up, YouTubes? Sitting in a 2015 Mark 7 Golf Launch Edition, and it's just got like the basic non-leather steering wheel, and there's parts back here that were starting to fall apart. So this is what the Belenos DIY steering wheel cover install looks like. This was like 15 bucks on Amazon, so just like a round piece of leather, or a circular piece of leather. So let's see what this looks like when I'm done. All right, so finally got it done. It took, it's probably 2 or 3 hours of work. I didn't do anything fancy, just like the most simple kind of stitch that you can do that it shows in the instructions. Got to get a little bit creative around some of these areas where the spokes are. But overall, I mean, for $15, and granted it does take a few hours, I think it's actual leather, and it feels a lot nicer than, I guess those cheap like $15, $20 covers you can throw on. So I like it. If you're willing to put in the time, I think it's probably worth it. Thanks for watching.